The question is, what do two incredibly bored adults do because the power is out?
So you finish up an airplane and you take it out and fly.
Yeah, finished by flashlight. So what is this?
This is a half-scale Gollywock.
And you can see, I mean, it's grainy here because it's starting to get dark, and my lens is probably a little, I don't know. Anyway, the wind is coming from that way, so let's get back up here so we don't fly it into bricks or something like that. Alright, that should be good. Nose down into the wind. That doesn't glide half bad. Alright, so we put a shim under the stab, so we're gonna glue that and then we'll come back. Okay, so we glued the shim, wound in, I don't know, 100 turns or whatever. Not half bad. Alright, let me zoom in. Hopefully I can keep this in frame. Alright. Look at that. We added a little incidence in, and now it's trying to go get stuck in a tree. Nice. So at this point we have added a little bit of lead to the tail, and we're going to give it a few more turns. So let's see what it does.
Wow, that is high.
Alright, so we added in a little bit of left shim. So here it goes. Did not have the desired effect.
I don't know. What did Daddy do to it?
Be taking that back out. Alright, check the side thrust back out. There it goes. Beautiful. Look at that. No, that's not good. I don't like where that's headed at all. Praise the Lord, miracles do happen. That's the plane right there. I don't know if you can even see it. Right there. It's not even 10 feet up. I have stood under this stuff about 10 times now looking for this airplane, last night and this morning. There's a giant hornet buzzing around. Lovely. So, yeah. Never color your airplane these colors. But I am still gonna see if we can get it down without going back for a pole. So. There we go. What are you stuck on? Come on. What it's stuck on is the stick broke. To go get another stick. Alright, take two. Almost. It's stuck. Almost, come on. I love wild grapes, but the vines cling to everything. There we go. Hope's plane is back. And other than some bug poo on the wing, it is unscathed. Nice. Is insisting to fly against this. I don't know why. I feel at a disadvantage, and she's about to screw up the DT, which is going to be entertaining. There it goes. You're going down. All right, here it goes. Going in 3, 2, 1, launch. 2 airplanes stalling out in thermals.
Mine's higher.
Cheetah.
Mine's higher. Mine's higher, guys.
I can't even. I don't even know what I'm doing.
Listening to your wife.
Hoping that we find your airplane.
Yeah. Bye, guys.
So much for the DTs on these. Okay, I officially admit I have lost Hope's airplane out there somewhere. And that was because, I don't know if you can see, the DT just stopped right there. So if I were to, push it over just a little more, it would release. Whoopsies. Now to go find my airplane. I was insistent the airplane was over there. House is here. I was insistent mine was somewhere over here, possibly in this tree. And Hope finds that no, it's right there. I am an idiot. I can't even track down my own airplanes. Got them both back now, so there we go. And my glasses are falling off.
It's hot out here.
Yeah, it is like 90-something degrees, mid-90s at least. So, yeah. So anyway, apparently Gollywock beats Jabberwock, at least in our group. Probably would have been at least a little closer if my climb trim had not drifted, because it's been months since I've flown this. And that's my excuse. I am using that as my excuse because I did stall out. So I would have at least had a chance, but I didn't really have a chance, so there's that. So anyway, short kits for these are available on our website. The short kit actually builds both airplanes and includes the plans. And we have some of the hardware. It's called out on the plans what all you need, but you know, typical short kits. So very simple little planes to build with or without dethermalizer. Details are included on the plans. So, you have any thoughts since now you've got a half-scale Gollywock?
Just gotta say, I won.
Oh, not
See you
even
guys
no
at the field.
no shame, none. Wow, I helped her. I rigged your dethermalizer. Wait, that wasn't. Bye, guys. Hi, I'm Josh Finn. This is Hope. We are J&H Aerospace.
If you like this video, hit the like button.
Also, how about subscribe to our channel and check out jhaerospace.com for new free flight products and all of the tooling that you'll need to build them.
Thanks for watching.